Hello everyone. Before I get started with the video, Hello everyone. Before I get started with the video, I wanted to tell you everything that I've made in this video. You can purchase it from the website www.pogapogi.com. And yeah, that's all. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I'm also going to try out acrylic colors because these Himi gouache paints watercolors are kind of expensive, so I cannot just use these for all the things that I make out of clay. And also because these are water based, they are, there are chances of them getting smudged with the resin. So I'm definitely going to try acrylic colors. Before I get started with the resin, I wanted to show you that I updated my UV lamp from 300 units of UV light to 15,000 intensity of UV light. The higher the intensity of the UV lamp, the faster the resin will get cured. I made a mistake while purchasing last time, make sure you don't. A frequent question whether you need to invest money in this expensive mask gear. So if you are someone who is going to be consistent with using resin, the answer is yes, because resin emits some harmful fumes and constant exposure to it is bad in the long run. However, if you are someone who is going to use resin for a simple DIY for a couple of hours or a couple of days, you can go ahead with an N95 mask or a surgical mask, but make sure the windows are ventilated and you are using nitrile gloves. It is just the beginning of the afternoon, perfect time to work with resin, sunny and bright outside. However, the brush that I use for resin tends to harden because of the sunlight, so I close the curtains of one corner of the window and keep the other corners open for ventilation. The first video on this channel says all the things that I bought for my clay business. But because I'm also an illustrator, I cannot meet with the time for clay business. And if I make it into a business, I will have to make hundreds of same designs. So currently I'm going to keep this just as an hobby, but definitely list all the things that I make on my website. And if anyone is interested, can definitely buy it from there.